disturbing. And sabi ko nga, well, I'll be honest, I think she's psychologically unfit to hold the office of the vice president. And
And doesn't
worse,
have the
yung
wit
presidente pa yan.
Yeah, and doesn't have the wit and charisma of the father. I mean, Digong, we
Yeah.
have all met Digong. He's quite a, you know, again, I completely disagree with the guy, but in fairness, he has that political touch, he has that charisma and charm.
Ano siya, marunong siyang mag-deal with different kinds of people. Pero itong mga anak, may mga problema. Nakita mo si Pulong, nakita mo si Sara, nakita mo si Baste. Parang hindi napalaki ng maayos, no? Kumbaga, I'm going to be kind, and nice in describing. Hindi may problema. Alam mo may problema, di ba? So, yon. And incidentally, I'll break it